This is where the unistrut was I took out. It was attached here. You can see there isn't much. And where nothing's flat and level and good to anchor to, this is all cardboard. Not a lot of mounting options. Said I took a piece of unistrut here, tried to make this one little thin piece of steel level, and took an existing ceiling bracket pole mount and used screws to tie it all together. You can twist right here and extend the pole. Granted, the cables are long enough, make it higher or shorter now. Before you couldn't really do it easily. Because all the cords, power cords are so short, I had no option but to put a strip rack right there. Really do need longer power cords for these, but there it is.